This video is made only for educational purposes. No stock ETF should be bought without advice from your investment advisor. Promising niche shares. Panache DigiLife Limited. Panache DigiLife Limited is an NSE listed company. Panache is a leader in the new age AI and IoT technology solutions with a vision to align and utilize the Make in India and Atmanirbhar policy of the Government of India in the ICT and IoT electronics domain. Banka Biolu Limited. Banka Biolu Limited provides waste management services. The company manufactures, supplies and installs bio-toilets and bio-tanks for treatment of human wastes. Banka Biolu offers wastewater treatment and recycling solutions. WARDWIZARD Innovations and Mobility Limited. WARDWIZARD Innovations and Mobility Limited is the first ever BSE listed company in the EV manufacturing sector. WARDWIZARD pedaled its way into the EV segment by first introducing electric bicycles in the year 2016. Later, the company introduced low-speed two-wheelers like GenNext, Globe, Wolf and Monster, which did not require any license or registration to ride. Now, WARDWIZARD inaugurated one of India's largest electric two-wheeler manufacturing plant at Vadodara. BOROSIL Renewable Limited. BOROSIL Renewable Limited is the first and only solar glass manufacturer in India. The company spotted the opportunity in this segment quite early and commissioned the solar glass manufacturing facility at Bharuch in India's state of Gujarat in Jan 2010. BOROSIL Renewable Limited is a part of well-known BOROSIL group who are pioneers in specialty glass products. BOROSIL Renewable has recently expanded and more than doubled its existing production capacity of high-performance solar glass to 2.4 gigawatts per annum. RUTTONSHA International Rectifier Limited. RUTTONSHA is equipped with one of the best in-house facility for die fabrication, soldering, encapsulation and testing. RUTTONSHA has the ascendancy of 25 years of old IR technology. The company also has access to develop and technical expertise of Silicon Power Corporation. USA RUTTONSHA International Rectifier Limited manufactures and sells various power semiconductor devices. Government of India's recent policy initiatives to encourage semiconductor manufacturing in the country argues well for the company to grow fast. Share, give a like, leave a comment. Please subscribe our channel.